How to transfer Ethereum from crypto.com to MetaMask.
First, just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Always double check everything and proceed at your own risk. Alright, let's get started. Open the crypto.com app and tap the transfer button, then tap withdraw. Next, choose external wallet. Now, to add your MetaMask wallet, tap the plus icon at the top right corner and select wallet address. Choose Ethereum as the currency. This next step is really important. Make sure you select the ERC20 network. That's the standard network for sending Ethereum to MetaMask. Now we'll grab your wallet address from MetaMask. Open the MetaMask app and tap receive, then tap copy to copy your Ethereum wallet address. Go back to crypto.com and paste that address into the wallet field. Give your wallet a name. I'll call mine MetaMask Wallet Ethereum. Then tap continue. Your MetaMask wallet is now saved. To send Ethereum, tap withdraw ETH next to the wallet you just added. Enter the amount you want to send. I recommend starting with a small test amount just to be safe. Even though there's a gas fee, it's better than risking a larger amount. Once you've double checked the address and network, tap withdraw. You may need to verify the transaction with a code. Also, keep in mind crypto.com may have a 24-hour waiting period for new addresses. After that clears, your Ethereum will be on its way to MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more simple crypto guides.